Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the paint drop green screen overlay as transition to your edits in CapCut. So in here, you can just add 2 videos or more like this and just place the white line to where you want the overlay, the transition to start, for example in here. And after that, just click on overlay, add overlay, and then go to the CapCut library. So in here, click on the green screen category and then just find the paint drop green screen video. So just scroll down and here is the video. Click on the video and click on add. Don't forget to adjust the size so it fits into the screen like this. And to remove the green screen, just use the remove BG and use the chroma key. Drag the color picker and adjust the intensity and shadow to your liking. When you're done, click on a check icon and this will be the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!